In this video, we will explore the top 5 best 3D scanners for 2026, highlighting their accuracy, speed, features, and overall value for professionals and creators alike. Whether you need high-precision scanning for engineering or detailed models for 3D printing, we have you covered. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. Creality CR-Scanner. Creality CR-Scan Otter is a high-precision, handheld 3D scanner designed to capture everything from tiny mechanical parts to full human bodies and large automotive components. With accuracy up to 0.2 mm at a working distance of 60 mm, it delivers highly detailed scans that faithfully reproduce texture and contours. Its innovative 4-lens stereo vision system uses dual long focal lenses for small objects and dual short focal lenses for larger subjects, covering scan volumes from 10 by 10 by 10 mm up to 2000 by 2000 by 2000 by 300. Powered by infrared structured light technology, the scanner reaches speeds of up to 20 frames per second, ensuring efficient and smooth data capture. Built-in anti-shaking and one-shot 3D imaging improv tracking stability, while fast backtracking keeps handheld scanning fluid and reliable. It can even scan black and metal objects without the need for spray, expanding its versatility. Full-color 24-bit scanning is supported by dual white light emitting diodes for accurate color reproduction, even in low light conditions. With geometry, marker, and texture alignment modes, plus support for OBJSTL and PLY formats, it integrates seamlessly into professional workflows. Compatible with Windows and MacOS, and designed to pair perfectly with Creality printers like the K1 series, the CR-Scan Otter makes high-quality 3D digitizing more accessible than ever. Number 4. Revopoint MIRACO. Revopoint MetroX is a metrological blue light 3D scanner built for professional modeling, measurement, and reverse engineering. Designed for small to medium-sized objects, it delivers precision up to 0.1 mm, accuracy up to 0.2 mm, and volumetric accuracy up to 0.25 mm plus 0.5 mm, multiplied by object length in meters. This level of performance makes it suitable for industrial design, quality inspection, healthcare applications, and additive manufacturing. MetroX features 4 scanning modes for maximum flexibility. The 14 crossline blue laser mode captures flat or featureless surfaces, including shiny or dark materials, at speeds up to 800,000 points per second. The 7 parallel blue laser lines focus on fine details and complex edges. Full-field structured blue light projects 62 lines and captures up to 7 million points per second for fast handheld scans. An auto turntable mode enables one-click automated scanning with reliable point cloud and color capture. With industrial-grade laser projection, MetroX provides up to 30% better point cloud detail compared to traditional systems. The included high-precision calibration plate ensures consistent accuracy. RevoScan software supports point cloud creation, fusion, meshing, editing, and export in formats such as STLOBJ and PLY. Seamless integration with leading CAD and inspection software makes MetroX a powerful solution for scan to CAD workflows and professional 3D measurement tasks. Number 3. Revopoint MIRACO 3D Scanner. Revopoint MIRACO is an all-in-one handheld 3D scanner designed to scan and edit models without needing a computer or mobile device. Everything happens directly on the device, from capture to post-processing, with files exported in PLY, OBJ, STL, ASCC, 3MF, GLTF, or FBX formats over Wi-Fi 6 or Type-C connections. Powered by quad-camera infrared structured light technology, it delivers precision up to 0.2 mm and single-frame accuracy up to 0.5 mm. The innovative quad-depth camera system allows seamless switching between near mode and far mode during a scan. Near mode captures fine details on small objects, while far mode quickly records large surfaces, covering scan volumes from 10 by 10 by 10 mm up to 4 by 4 by 4 meters. Working distances range from 100 to 1000 mm, offering excellent flexibility for industrial design, reverse engineering, healthcare, and creative applications. A 48-megapixel RGB camera enables realistic color texture capture, and the 2K 6-inch AMOLED touchscreen provides clear on-device visualization. The adjustable display rotates up to 180 degrees and even supports selfie scanning. With single-shot mode for precise tracking and continuous mode reaching up to 15 frames per second, MIRACO balances accuracy and speed. A 5000 mAh battery supports up to 2 hours of scanning, making it a truly portable professional 3D solution. Number 2. Creality 3D CR-Scan Raptor. Creality CR-Scan Raptor is a high-performance, handheld 3D scanner built for precise and efficient model capture. It delivers accuracy up to 0.2 mm at a working distance of 100 mm, making it suitable for intricate components and detailed surface geometry. With 3D resolution ranging from 0.2 to 2 mm depending on mode, it provides flexibility for both fine detail work and broader surface scanning. The Raptor features 2 scanning modes to adapt to different project requirements. Blue light mode uses a 7-line laser system for high-resolution capture of smaller objects, while the near-infrared binocular structured light mode is optimized for scanning larger and more complex subjects. Minimum scan volume can go as small as 5 by 5 by 5 mm, while the maximum single capture range reaches 930 by 580 mm at a distance of 1000 mm. Speed is another key advantage. Blue light mode supports scanning at up to 60 frames per second, enabling fast data acquisition for time-sensitive workflows. The integrated mechanical inertial measurement unit improves tracking stability, contributing to smoother handheld operation. Connectivity is handled through Type-C and USB 3.0 interfaces, ensuring reliable data transfer. Compatible with Windows and Mac systems and supporting OBJ-STL and PLY formats, the CR-Scan Raptor integrates easily into professional 3D printing, design, and reverse engineering pipelines. Number 1. Creality Sermoon S1. Creality Sermoon S1 is a professional-grade 3D scanner built for high-accuracy inspection and large-scale versatility. It combines blue laser technology with near-infrared structured light to handle objects ranging from 5 by 5 by 5 mm up to 4000 by 4000 by 4000 mm. In blue light mode, users can choose between a single blue laser line, 7 parallel lines, or 34 cross lines, achieving accuracy up to 0.2 mm and volumetric accuracy of 0.2 mm plus 0.8 mm per meter. Scanning performance is equally impressive. The system captures up to 1,428,000 measurements per second, with frame rates reaching 90 frames per second, enabling rapid data acquisition for demanding workflows. The larger field of view per frame reduces the need for markers and improves tracking stability, especially when scanning large components or full human bodies. In near-infrared mode, accuracy reaches up to 0.75 mm, with efficient long-range capture suitable for bigger subjects. An innovative 4-lens stereo vision system enhances precision and supports marker-free face and body scanning. The scanner also handles black or metal surfaces without spray, and temperature compensation ensures stable long-term operation. Creality Scan 4.0 software integrates intelligent processing, step-by-step guidance, and seamless compatibility with CAD/CAM and 3D printing workflows, making the Sermoon S1 a powerful solution for industrial inspection and advanced design tasks. There you have it, our top 5 best 3D scanners for 2026. Each option offers unique strengths, whether you prioritize precision, portability, or advanced features. Be sure to review the links in the description to compare specifications and pricing, and choose the scanner that best fits your workflow and creative needs.